The hidden gold in goat farming. Across Africa, a quiet revolution is taking place in agriculture. While many people focus on crops or poultry, a powerful opportunity is growing in the background, one that requires less capital, adapts easily to harsh environments, and delivers consistent returns. That opportunity is goat farming. From rural villages to expanding urban markets, goats are becoming one of the most valuable livestock investments for farmers. They provide meat, milk, and income, making them a reliable source of financial stability. But here's what most people don't realize. With the right strategy, even a small goat farm can turn into a highly profitable business. In today's video, we will break down exactly how goat farming works and how you can start your own successful livestock operation in Africa. Before we continue, make sure you subscribe to FirstPost Africa Farm. This channel is dedicated to helping you understand modern agriculture, profitable farming ideas, and real opportunities across Africa. If you're serious about building income through farming, subscribing could be one of the smartest decisions you make today. Now, let's dive into this powerful agribusiness opportunity. What is goat farming? Goat farming involves raising goats for different purposes, such as meat production, milk production, or breeding. Unlike many other livestock, goats are extremely adaptable. They can survive in dry regions, feed on a variety of plants, and require relatively simple housing. This flexibility makes them ideal for African environments where conditions can vary significantly. Farmers can choose different production goals depending on their market. Meat production, very high demand. Milk production, growing market. Breeding stock, selling young goats. With proper planning, goat farming can become a long-term and sustainable business. Why goat farming is profitable in Africa? There are several reasons why goat farming continues to attract attention. First, demand for goat meat is consistently strong. In many African countries, goat meat is preferred for cultural, traditional, and culinary reasons. Second, goats reproduce quickly. A single female can give birth to multiple kids, allowing farmers to expand their herd over time. Third, goats require less investment compared to cattle. They eat less, need smaller space, and are easy to manage. Fourth, they can survive in challenging environments where other animals struggle. Finally, goat farming offers flexibility. Farmers can start small and gradually grow their operations without major financial pressure. These factors make goat farming one of the most accessible livestock businesses for beginners. Choosing the right goat breed. Selecting the right breed is a crucial step in building a successful farm. Different breeds are suited for different purposes. Some are better for meat production, while others produce more milk. Popular meat breeds are known for fast growth and good body size, making them ideal for selling in local markets. Milk breeds, on the other hand, are valued for their ability to produce large quantities of milk. Farmers should choose breeds that are well adapted to their local environment. Animals that thrive in the climate will grow faster and remain healthier. Buying goats from trusted farmers or breeders ensures that you start with strong and productive animals. Housing and shelter. Although goats are hardy animals, they still require proper shelter. A good goat house protects animals from rain, extreme heat, and predators. The structure does not need to be expensive. Farmers can use local materials such as wood, bamboo, or metal sheets. The most important features include dry flooring, good ventilation, enough space for movement, clean environment. Raising the floor slightly above ground level can help keep the shelter dry, especially during rainy seasons. Maintaining cleanliness inside the shelter helps prevent disease and keeps goats comfortable. Feeding goats properly. Feeding is one of the biggest advantages of goat farming. Goats can eat a wide range of plants, including grass, leaves, shrubs, and agricultural byproducts. This makes feeding costs much lower compared to other livestock. However, proper nutrition is still important for growth and productivity. Farmers should ensure access to fresh grazing areas, supplementary feed when necessary, clean drinking water at all times. Providing minerals and salt licks can improve animal health and boost growth. Balanced feeding leads to stronger animals and better production results. Health management and disease prevention. Keeping goats healthy is essential for maintaining a productive farm. Farmers should monitor animals daily for signs of illness, such as weakness, loss of appetite, or unusual behavior. Vaccination programs help protect goats from common diseases. Regular deworming is also important, as parasites can reduce growth and weaken animals. Clean housing, proper feeding, and good hygiene practices significantly reduce health risks. Farmers who prioritize animal health often achieve better results and avoid unnecessary losses. Common mistakes beginners make. Many new farmers make avoidable mistakes that affect their success. One common error is starting with too many animals without enough experience. This can lead to poor management and financial losses. Another mistake is ignoring proper feeding. Even though goats can eat many things, they still need balanced nutrition. Poor housing conditions can also expose animals to disease and stress. Some farmers fail to plan for markets before starting, making it difficult to sell their animals at good prices. The best approach is to start small, learn gradually, and expand with experience. Growing a profitable goat farming business. Once a farmer understands the basics, expanding the business becomes easier. Increasing herd size, improving breeding programs, and finding reliable buyers are key steps in growth. Farmers can sell goats to local markets, restaurants, butchers, livestock traders. Some farmers also explore value addition, such as processing goat milk or breeding high-quality animals. With time, goat farming can transform from a small project into a stable source of income. Across Africa, many successful farmers began with just a few goats and built thriving livestock enterprises. Goat farming offers a powerful opportunity for individuals looking to enter agriculture. It is flexible, affordable, and adaptable to different environments. With proper management, goats can provide consistent income and long-term financial stability. As demand for livestock products continues to grow, farmers who invest in goat farming today position themselves for future success. Whether you live in a rural area or near a growing city, this business has the potential to change lives. If you found this guide helpful and want to learn more about profitable farming opportunities, make sure you subscribe to FirstPost Africa Farm right now. This channel is your source for modern agriculture knowledge, livestock farming strategies, and business ideas that can help you build real income. Also, tell us in the comments, are you planning to start goat farming or are you already raising livestock? Your journey into agriculture starts with knowledge, and you're already one step ahead. Stay connected, keep learning, and we'll see you in the next video.